but it has a lot more body. It's more of a light yaki. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This wig review will be on It's a Wig a Coup, and I have her in the color 1B. I believe this wig came out a few years ago actually, maybe longer, but I kind of like the style on the stock card, so I just wanted to try it out, so let's see.
You gotta go, bye-bye. You gotta go, bye-bye. You gotta go, you gotta be ass down. No, you got a lot of nerve. I guess you haven't heard. I'm doing fine out here on my own. You think that you can come around here for some fun? Well, you got a lot to learn. Don't shake your head from side to side, saying that you're changing up that you see.
So the base is cut. If you're wondering about this wig I have on, this is the Bobby Boss Their 13 by 7 lace front wig. This is the Olivia, I believe it is.
Get a grip, yeah, baby, ass down. Come on.
Olivia, I believe it is. I'll leave it somewhere in the cards for you guys. Alright, so let's get this one on.
Get a grip, yeah, baby, ass down. Come on.
Alright, so let's get this cut off. Alright, so the card doesn't really say anything too special. If you care, it is iron friendly up into 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. These are the extra colors, if this camera focuses, that it does come in. So if you are a fan of the Janet collection, and I did review that one, and I'll leave that one also in the cards. If you're a fan of that one, but maybe it was a little bit too stiff for you, I didn't have a problem with it. But if you felt like you've seen other reviews and it may be too stiff for you, or you got it and you think it's too stiff, this one I believe is a close dupe to it.
No.
It's still a bob, but it has a lot more body. It's more of a light yaki feeling, which I like. And usually I'm not a fan of the color 1Bs, but surprisingly this one's nice. I like it. So this is side.
What it is to love, and I'm sure because you got the look of desperation. Don't shake your head from left to right, saying that you will when you won't ever see the light. And you just say what you say and what you wear, and it's that game that you play. It's a little late, as if I'm never gonna take you back, as if it's never gonna come to that. So see you now, wave goodbye, be your bird, pass me by, as if I'm gonna let you break my heart again, as if I'm gonna let your love back in my life.
So personally, I like it more than I thought I was going to like it. This is the parting space. I could go in and tweeze it some more. This is, so underneath, this is what my stocking cap looks like. It's a light one, and I just put makeup on it. So I could go through and tweeze this. To me, this is beginner friendly. All I did was cut off lace. So I did nothing to the parting space, but I think I'm going to maybe go off camera, just go through the parting space really quickly and see what that looks like afterwards. So yeah.
You gotta go, bye-bye. You gotta go, bye-bye. You gotta go, you gotta be no. You got a lot of nerve. I guess you haven't heard. I'm doing fine out here on my own. You think that you can come around here for some fun? What you got?
So overall, I do think that this wig is very beginner friendly, and if you love and or like bobs, I highly recommend you to try and grab this wig. Cons: well, for plucking, it did take a little bit more effort to pluck the part. It was very hard to pull the hair out. So that's one thing. I did not go in and use powder, so that color you see is just straight from my wig cap. Yes, it's a very grab and go type thing. So yeah. So as far as if it's big head friendly, so I think, so my camera did cut off because it's overheated, but I believe the last thing I was saying was that it is, if it's big head friendly or not. So I can put some fingers right here on the side, and as usual, I have it on the closest loops on the back. So I would say if you have a bigger head, it will probably be snug. So just keep that in mind. Not, I wouldn't say tight, just snug, and just don't use the adjustable, the straps in the back. On the stock card, the model does look like hers has a more textured feel to her, like more of a kinky texture in my opinion, because it just looks so much fuller. But this one is just giving off straight yaki to me, so, which I'm not complaining. I would have liked it either way. But yeah, I'm not complaining about that. So that's just an FYI. If you see this maybe back when they made it a few years ago, it would look like this and fuller. This one does not look as full as the model on the stock card, so I would say that. This wig does give me 90s, 80s, 90s vibes, so maybe shirt, maybe it's not, but that's the kind of vibes I get wearing this, and I like it. So hopefully you all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Leave any questions that you have about this wig that I may have missed in this review down below, and I will try to get back to everyone per usual. All right.